Want a robot that can do it all? Meet the future of robotics. Today, we're diving into a fascinating question. What if you could have one robot that does it all? Imagine this: a single machine that can cook your meals, clean your home, help you work, and maybe even walk your dog. It sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, but believe it or not, we're getting closer to that reality every day. In this video, we'll explore the technologies, innovations, and challenges behind creating a universal robot, one that could completely transform the way we live and work. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of why this idea is so exciting and how close we really are to making it happen. Let's start with a bit of history. The concept of a universal robot isn't new. In fact, the word robot was first introduced in 1921 by Czech playwright Karel Čapek in his play R.U.R., Rossum's Universal Robots. In this story, robots were envisioned as versatile machines capable of taking over human tasks. For decades, this idea remained in the realm of fiction. Early robots were built for specific purposes, like assembling cars or exploring space. They were highly specialized, capable of doing one task extremely well, but completely useless outside their specific design. Creating a robot that can handle multiple diverse tasks requires an entirely new level of sophistication. Why? Because the world we live in is incredibly complex. Think about it. The tasks we do every day, making breakfast, folding laundry, typing on a keyboard, require a combination of perception, decision-making, and dexterity. A robot that can clean your house also needs to understand where everything goes, avoid obstacles like furniture, and handle delicate items without breaking them. The big question is, how do you build a machine capable of doing all this? To answer that, we need to break down what makes a robot truly versatile. First, a universal robot needs perception, the ability to see, hear, and understand its surroundings. This involves advanced sensors, cameras, and AI systems that can interpret visual and audio data in real time. Next, it requires adaptability. A universal robot must be able to switch between tasks seamlessly, whether it's cooking a meal, fixing a leaky pipe, or helping a child with homework. This adaptability relies on machine learning and AI to help the robot learn new tasks as it goes. Finally, there's dexterity. The robot must have precise control over its movements, whether it's assembling tiny electronic components or carefully pouring a glass of water. These three capabilities, perception, adaptability, and dexterity, are the foundation of any all-purpose robot. And while we're not fully there yet, we've made some incredible progress. Let's take a look at some of the most advanced robots being developed today that are paving the way for the future. First up is Tesla's Optimus robot. If you've heard Elon Musk talk about this project, you'll know it's designed as a general-purpose humanoid robot. Optimus is built to perform physical tasks like lifting objects, assembling parts, or even basic household chores. The exciting thing about Optimus is its AI brain. Tesla is using the same neural network technology that powers their self-driving cars to enable this robot to understand and interact with its environment. Optimus can learn to perform new tasks through observation and repetition, much like a human. Another fascinating robot is a mecha, developed by Engineered Arts. While it's not designed for physical labor, a mecha is groundbreaking in terms of human-robot interaction. Its ultra-realistic facial expressions make it ideal for roles in customer service, education, and even therapy. Imagine having a robot assistant that can not only help you, but also understand your emotions and respond accordingly. And then there are robots like Universal Robots cobots, short for collaborative robots. These machines are designed to work alongside humans in factories, performing tasks like assembling products or performing quality checks. Unlike traditional industrial robots, cobots are highly flexible and can switch between tasks as needed. At the heart of all these advancements is one critical technology: artificial intelligence. AI is what allows robots to move beyond simple, repetitive tasks and handle complex, real-world situations. For example, through computer vision, a robot can identify objects in its environment, like a cup, a book, or even a pet. Natural language processing lets robots understand verbal commands, so you could say, "Robot, make me a coffee," and it would know exactly what to do. But perhaps the most exciting development is machine learning. This allows robots to improve their performance over time by learning from experience. For instance, a robot that initially struggles to fold a shirt can practice the task until it masters it, much like a human would. Now, as exciting as all this sounds, creating a robot that can do it all isn't without its challenges. Let's talk about some of the biggest hurdles engineers and scientists face in making this dream a reality. The first challenge is cost. Advanced robots like Optimus or Amica are incredibly expensive to design and manufacture. Right now, they're priced far out of reach for the average consumer. For robots to become mainstream, companies will need to find ways to bring those costs down without sacrificing performance. Next is energy efficiency. Most robots require a lot of power to operate, especially those with complex AI systems and advanced mobility. Developing energy-efficient robots that can run for extended periods without frequent recharging is a major priority. Then there's safety. For a robot to work in human environments, it must be designed to avoid causing harm. This includes everything from avoiding collisions to handling sharp or heavy objects carefully. Safety mechanisms need to be foolproof, especially in homes with children or pets. And finally, there are ethical concerns. When you have a robot equipped with cameras, microphones, and internet connectivity in your home, privacy becomes a serious issue. Who owns the data collected by the robot? How do we ensure that it's not being misused? These are questions society will need to address as robots become more integrated into our daily lives. So, what does the future hold for universal robots? First, we're likely to see robots become more integrated into smart home ecosystems. Imagine a robot that works alongside your smart lights, thermostat, and security cameras to make your home more comfortable and secure. In healthcare, robots could play a huge role in assisting the elderly and disabled. Picture a robot that can help someone get out of bed, remind them to take their medication, or even detect signs of a medical emergency. And in education, we might see robots designed to tutor children, teaching them everything from math to music in a way that's personalized to their learning style. But perhaps the most exciting development will be the rise of personalized robots. In the future, you might be able to choose a robot that matches your specific needs, whether it's a chef, a gardener, or even a creative collaborator. Of course, with all these advancements, there's a big question on everyone's mind. Will robots replace humans? The answer is complex. While robots will undoubtedly take over certain jobs, especially repetitive or dangerous ones, they're also creating new opportunities. By automating routine tasks, robots free us up to focus on more creative, strategic, and fulfilling work. Think of it this way: robots aren't here to replace us. They're here to work alongside us, making our lives easier and our work more productive. So, will we ever see a robot that can truly do it all? The answer is yes, but it's going to take time. Right now, we're witnessing the early stages of this transformation. The pieces are coming together: advanced AI, innovative hardware, and a growing understanding of how robots can integrate into our lives. The future of robotics isn't just about building machines. It's about enhancing the way we live, work, and connect with the world around us. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the future of robotics. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let me know in the comments, what would you want your all-purpose robot to do? Until next time, keep dreaming big and embracing the future.